In this video, we're going to learn how to create a variable using the variable field button on the HotDocs ribbon. I'm editing the separation agreement, which I did from the HotDocs library. At the HotDocs ribbon in Word, we're going to use this button, HotDocs variable, throughout this particular video. To replace a field on the face of the template, you're going to want to select the area or text that you're going to want to replace with an answer from the HotDocs interview. So what I'm going to do is we have brackets around the text that we want to replace. This is called markup or document design. Go ahead and watch the markup or document design video before starting development so you have an idea of how to do this process and have a clear thought behind what you want to do when you develop. I'm going to use my shift and my arrow keys to select just this bit of text. This is where the agreement date answer is going to go, and I want to place a field here. I'll click my ribbon and then click on the variable field button. Now this is a date variable, not text. Text is the default. That's something you have to get used to in using that button. So I'll choose date. Another thing, if you choose to use document design or markup the way that you see here, HotDocs, when you use brackets, picks up the text between the brackets as the variable name. Well, I don't want to have colon with June 9, 2015 as the actual variable name, so I'm going to get rid of that. And HotDocs thinks I want a format. We talk about a format in another video, so I'm just going to check use default. I'll say that I want to replace this once. The agreement date appears once on the face of the document. What about something like client full name? Let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'll select the text between the bracket. I'll go to my HotDocs ribbon, click the variable field button. This will be text because I could enter characters other than letters on my keyboard, like a space. Perhaps the client full name appears more than once in this document. What I'll do this time is click Replace Multiple, and I'll go ahead and say Replace. So I'll click Replace. We can see that HotDocs finds it again down here, and I can click Replace. Let's go ahead and do something like the spouse full name. I'll select from bracket to bracket the text that I want to replace. I'll go to the HotDocs ribbon. I'll go ahead and click Variable Field. Same thing, HotDocs picks up the text between the brackets. What if I don't have markup? Well, type in the variable name. This is text because I want to type text characters in, or I want the user to type text characters in as their answer. This time I'll just do a replace multiple and a replace all. And HotDocs searches the entire document and finds spouse full name and replaces it everywhere. That should get you on your way to start developing simple variables in HotDocs.